If the AirDrop is not working on your iPhone 16e, here's what you can do in order to try to fix this issue. So first of all, let's open settings, go to general, and then in general we want to choose AirDrop. So here at the top we can select the range of people that can be connected through the AirDrop with us. So we can completely turn off AirDrop over here. By default we have this option selected to use only contacts, so we can share through AirDrop only with our contacts. Therefore, if someone is not saved on our contacts, we won't be able to use AirDrop, so you might want to select everyone for 10 minutes instead. Besides that, you want to probably make sure that bringing devices together is also enabled, and if you are outside of your home or you don't simply have the Wi-Fi connection, if you don't have access to Wi-Fi, you might also want to use the cellular data or mobile data, because of course the internet connection is needed for AirDrop. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!